Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on building your first Python analytics solution. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. Python has exploded in popularity in recent years, largely because it makes analyzing and working with data so incredibly simple. Despite its great success as a prototyping tool, Python is still relatively unproven for large enterprise-scale development. In this course, you will gain the ability to identify and use the right development and execution environment for your enterprise. First, you'll learn how Jupyter notebooks, despite their immense popularity, are not quite as robust as fully fledged integrated development environments or IDEs. Next, you will discover how different execution environments offer alternative ways of configuring Python libraries, and specifically how the two most popular, Conda and pip, stack up against each other. You will also explore several different development environments including Idle, PyCharm, Eclipse and Spider. Finally, you'll round out your knowledge by running Python on the major cloud environments including AWS, Microsoft Azure and the GCP. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to identify the correct development and execution environments for Python in your organizational context.